Welcome back to my YouTube video. I'm gonna be doing an ABG transformation makeup. ABG is an Asian baby girl. So, kani siya is hilig mo part niya girl. Na-cover yung lawas sa tattoo niya. Sexy rin manamit. Nga na gani. Marag bugay style gani bugay. So, first I'm gonna be putting is a setting spray of course to freshen up your face.
Loving is easy, you have me fucked up. It used to be so hard to see. Yeah, loving is easy when everything's perfect. Please don't change a single little.
All night kay take mag-makeup. Ako na update ang seal.
A few moments later.
Now we're gonna be putting concealer on her eye. Unsaon pagpagawas ani low. First time gid ko ni mag-use ani nga concealer. Ginoo ko after pila ka years anaon na day. Kaulit. Naguba ang sponge. Hinila ko kasi.
Thing for me. Listen, girl, when you can't even hide it, and it didn't take forever to find it. I was all on my own, almost glad to be alone.
Nag-full na ang storage akong cellphone, guys.
On time. So loving is easy. You have me fucked up. It used to be so hard to see. Yeah, loving is easy.
So, nawala yung clip na naglagay ako ng eyeshadow. Naglagay lang ako ng violet at tsaka silver na eyeshadow. Okay, yun lang. Okay, bye.
So, sunod akong buhatan is magtaot og lashes. So, simplihan lang natin ang lashes kasi kung ano man ang eyeshadow, gabi ka dark. Next is yung eyelashes natin. I'm just gonna use my lashes.
I can't wait for you to come my way. I've been far away, but I'll keep running just to find a way to you till then.
I've been running from it, tired of running from it, scared of feeling something now. I'm stuck and trying to get up out of this hole. I tried to be strong, I tried to make it work, but I've been feeling too numb. Skies are bleeding.
So, ako lang yung siya ibutang sa arms, guys. Full na kaayo ako sa cellphone. So, be right back. Be right back.
How could I be strong? I'm fighting for your love.
I can't wait for you to come.
So, mag-change lang ako ng look. It's already done. Duh! Uy, ginoo ko tanaw ko na kung itsura mga day. Murag tinoo.
So maybe I'ma keep you up night. I've been drinking coffee. And I've been eating healthy. No one gets squeaky. Saving up my energy. Can you stay?
Certified ABG. So, mura to guys. Bye.